guys, it's Ms.Allen here to show you a tutorial on how to do modern calligraphy. I am definitely not an expert, but I do like to play with it, and I know a lot of my students are interested in doing the same thing, so I thought I would show you guys a quick tutorial. So I'm working with some paper, just some plain white paper here. I'm going to show you how to do it with a specialized pen from a company called Tombow, but you can also do it with just a regular Crayola marker. So I have those two to show you. So modern calligraphy looks a little bit like this. So you'll notice that on the upstroke with a brush tip like this, that you want to go really light, a nice skinny line, and on the downstroke you're going to push really hard so that you have a nice thick line. So light on the up, thick on the down, light on the up, thick on the down. So anytime I go up, it's nice and light and skinny, and every time I go down, I push really hard. So nice and skinny on the up, push hard on the way down. Skinny on the up, hard on the way down. Skinny on the up, and then I moved my pen up here and went hard on the way down and skinny on the way up. Might do a little bit harder right there, and then skinny. So one of the best ways to practice is to just do the light on the way up, heavy on the way down. So if you are a beginner, you might want to go light on the way up, heavy on the way down, light on the way up, heavy on the way down. So light, heavy, light, heavy, light, heavy. So just practicing a movement like that before you start actually doing words like this might be helpful. And with a regular marker, we can go light on the way up and then try to push as hard as we can, heavy on the way down. So light, heavy, light, heavy. So light, heavy, light, heavy, light, heavy, light, heavy, light, heavy, light, heavy. And then you can add your own flair to it, whatever you want it to look like. And if that's difficult and you're struggling with that, what you can do is just write in cursive. So you can write in cursive, and then anytime that, if you go over it, you see that this would be a down, you can add the heavy afterwards. So I'm going to kind of go around. Might not look quite as great, but this would be a down, this would be a down, this would be a down, down, actually that's a down, 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 and then obviously you'd want to clean it up a little bit, but that might be an easy place to start too. So anyway, if you want to write your name, super easy to do even with these Crayola markers. This is kind of what an S might look like. Make it a little bit thicker there. And then like I said, I would go back and just kind of make that a little bit thicker. There are a bunch of tutorials online. I believe this is called Modern Calligraphy, and like I said, you don't need a fancy pen. Just need a little bit of practice. I hope you guys are all really doing well. We miss you already, and we're going to try to find some fun things to do with you guys. So take care and stay healthy. Okay, bye.